The welfare system of Norway has been praised and admired by many countries worldwide for its comprehensive and practical approach to social welfare. Norway has consistently ranked high for its quality of life due to its robust welfare system. The Norwegian government has prioritized providing its citizens with a safety net, ensuring everyone can access basic necessities and services. Let's take a look into the structure and success of the Norwegian welfare system, shedding light on its key features and impact on society. Life can take unexpected turns, and sometimes you may be unable to work due to sickness or other reasons such as job loss or furlough. In such situations, the Norwegian Labor and Welfare Administration, NAV, can provide assistance to help you get back on your feet. NAVI offers a range of benefits, including sick pay, work clearance allowance, unemployment benefits, and pension schemes for retirement. If you lose your job, you can apply for a daily allowance that is calculated based on your previous income. The allowance can amount to up to 62.4% of your previous income, but only up to 6 times the base amount, which is currently around $64,468 as of 2023. The base amount is adjusted each year. As an employee, your workplace will cover your sick pay for the first 16 days. After that, you may receive sick pay from NAV, provided you meet the mandatory conditions for up to 52 weeks. If you're still sick after 52 weeks, work clearance allowance and disability allowances may be available. The public healthcare system is strong in Norway, and most hospitals are funded and owned by the state. All Norwegian citizens with a personal identification number are eligible for a general practitioner, which they choose from a public list. If you are going to the doctor in Norway, you will have to pay a fee around $15 for a consultation with a general practitioner, and a bit more for a specialized one. You might face some additional expenses for tests, but if your yearly spending exceeds $265, you automatically qualify for something called a free card. This card not only covers the costs of tests, but also includes prescription medications, making them free of charge once you reach the threshold. There are no charges for children under the age of 16. The same applies for pregnant and/or nursing women. Undocumented adult immigrants will have access to emergency care, whilst undocumented children will have the same care as Norwegian citizens. If you are expecting children, there are several benefits available to you. In Norway, mothers and fathers or birth partners have the right to paid leave for up to a year altogether. It is regulated in the Norwegian Working Environment Act that both the mother and the father or birth partner receive paid leave in order to spend time with their babies. Once you are back at work, your child can attend nursery. The maximum price of nursery fees is $276 a month. There are also several other child benefits available. The size of the benefits depends on the age of the child. If your child is under 6 years old, child benefits are currently $160 a month. For children over 6 years old, the child benefits are currently $137 a month and will be paid up until they turn 18. As part of Norway's welfare system, all public schools are free of charge. Although there are a few exceptions, such as the Steiner School and Montessori, private schools are uncommon. Children in Norway start school at 6 and finish by the time they turn 19. Continuing the trend of accessibility, higher education in Norway is largely free of charge. The only fees that students have to bear are a nominal amount of around $90 for printing services and miscellaneous student union fees each year. This stands in stark contrast to the global norm, where students often face exorbitant fees for their education. However, it's worth noting that there are some private university colleges, such as BI Norwegian Business School and Christiania University College, that do require tuition fees. Lånekassen, which is part of the welfare state, was established as a means of making university and university college education accessible to all classes of society. Since its inception, Lånekassen has provided support to pupils and students for the purpose of ensuring that all Norwegian citizens get access to education, regardless of background. Lånekassen services are its student loans, which cover tuition fees, living expenses, and other educational costs. Unlike traditional loans, Lånekassen offers favorable terms and conditions, including low interest rates and flexible repayment options, ensuring that students can focus on their studies without worrying about financial burdens. Free education and a primarily free health system are unique features of the Norwegian welfare system. The social democratic approach in Norway helps to reduce inequalities between people. Individuals who have resided in Norway for at least 5 years between age 16 and 66 inclusive are entitled to the guarantee pension in the new system. A full guarantee pension is granted after 40 years of residence, and it is reduced proportionally for shorter periods. The guaranteed pension level for a single pensioner was on average $18,767 per year. Disability payments in Norway are another essential component of the country's welfare system, designed to ensure that individuals facing physical or mental challenges receive the assistance they need to lead fulfilling lives. If someone is living with a spouse or a registered or cohabitant partner is eligible for $24,498 per year of funds, and someone without a spouse is entitled to $26,646 per year of funds. At the heart of Norway's welfare system lies a progressive taxation system that ensures the redistribution of wealth and resources. Norway's tax revenue comes primarily from income taxes, corporate taxes, and value-added taxes (VAT). The progressive nature of Norway's tax system means that those with higher incomes contribute proportionally more to fund social programs, while those with lower incomes receive greater support. Norway's top personal tax rate of 47.4% applies to all income over 1.5 times the average Norwegian income. Membership in the national insurance scheme is compulsory for everyone who lives in Norway for more than 1 year. It entitles you to Social Security and healthcare in Norway, but for certain services and benefits, there might be certain requirements such as residence and employment. By prioritizing equality, universal access, and investment in human capital, Norway has created a society where everyone has the opportunity to thrive and succeed. As other countries grapple with rising inequality and social unrest, Norway's welfare model offers valuable lessons in building a more inclusive and prosperous society for all. Make sure to let us know your thoughts and don't forget to like today's video. Thanks for watching.